Hi, today we are going to two more Linux commands. One is ls minus capital F and another one is ls minus capital R. Already I told you, whenever we log in, we have to use this pwd present working directory so that we can know where we are. There are two directories available here. Here, actually, we don't know which one is directory or which one is file. By seeing this D, we can say that is directory. But normally, if we put ls, we don't know which one is directory and which one is file. So if we use ls minus f, we can easily understand. I have used ls minus capital F. It lists files along with the directory. For directory, it shows the symbol slash at the end of the name, directory name. Okay. So that we can easily identify learn and study are the two directories available. But if we want to list all the subdirectories and also the files inside the subdirectories, we have to go for the ls minus capital R. See, here there are two directories, learn and study. Within that learn, there is one more directory called learn1. And within learn1, there is file available test. Okay, inside the study, there are no files available. So learn and learn1. Okay, within the learn, there is one subdirectory, that is learn1. So it lists all the content along with, it lists all the files that is available in the directory as well as the subdirectory. It is called ls minus r, recursive. Okay, these are the two commands we have seen now. Apart from that, if you put like this ls minus lt, it will list the file based on the modification, time modification. Okay, ls minus lt. And ls minus la is there. It will show all the files, even hidden files also we can see. Okay, ls minus la, ls minus lt, ls minus capital F and ls minus capital R. So far we have seen. And I will come with some other exercises in the next video. Thanks. Bye.